But then Harry and Bert arrived. Stinky Steamy's in the way again. Thomas rolled quietly up behind Bert's trucks. And just as the crane dropped the timber, he gave them an extra big shunt. Ho ho, laughed Thomas. But that night, a fierce storm swept through the island. It was the strongest wind the engines had ever known. It blustered and blew. The wind howled down the tracks and tore down the trees. It ripped off roofs and flattened fences. It even blew Gordon's tent away. Bother, puffed Gordon. The wind blew all night long. So the suspension bridge twisted and shook in the gale. Then there was trouble. Thomas puffed into the yard and backed up to the paint trucks. But Diesel was in the yard too. Now I'll show Thomas who's best, Diesel whispered, and he gave the trucks an extra hard shunt. Paint pots flew into the air and splattered down all over Thomas. So the next time Thomas saw Harry, he gave him a biff. And when Harry saw James, he gave him a bump. Soon the Diesels and the Steamies were biffing and banging and being bumped all over the island. Thomas was shunting some trucks into the yard. He was taking great care, but the track was bumpy. Suddenly, they started to come off the track. Some of them headed straight for the water tower. The water tower creaked and wobbled. Then it started to tip. The water tower crashed down across the runway. Luckily, no one was hurt. The runway's cracked, cried Percy, and the track is blocked.